Hey folks, it's me, MX Slick 50. No, I'm not going to let you see my ugly puss. Yes, the bike is in the house. It's actually in my bedroom. As you can see, I haven't done the ceiling yet. Anyway, the reason I'm making this video is to announce that the name of my channel is going to change very soon. It is going to be Ninja Boy, which is my motorcycle, and the Old Man. We're going to call the channel Ninja Boy and the Old Man. I have some videos on the computer of me riding the Ninja through Mulholland and some other cool places. I'll probably post those videos up as part of the continuation of my channel. Like I say, just changing things up a little bit. I got my helmet on. Like I say, you guys don't need to see my ugly ass face. Anyway, but yeah, that name change is coming soon. MX Slick 50 is no longer going to be part of the channel. I'm no longer racing motocross. I don't have a dirt bike anymore. I have been helping out training a rider, but other than that, I'm pretty much out of the sport of motocross. So therefore, I figured it'd be appropriate to change the name of my channel to something a little more close to what's going on. Turbo, the Moto Cat, is right below me here, trying to jump up on the bike. He's mad because I'm on the bike and he's not. Anyway, so just want to let everybody know, once again, the name of the channel is going to change. It's going to be Ninja Boy and the Old Man is what I'm going to call it. Ninja Boy is my motorcycle, and I'm the Old Man. Anyway, so y'all have a good one. Hope y'all have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you in the coming months under the new channel name. Y'all enjoy yourselves, and talk to you later.